Welcome to English Quizler, where we make learning English fun and exciting. Are you ready for the fill in the blank with the correct preposition challenge? Test your English knowledge with 30 quick-fire questions and see if you're a true word master. Before starting, please subscribe to our channel for more exciting quizzes. Can you choose the correct preposition? Correct answer is in. Let's see if you can pick the right preposition. Yes, the answer is on. Choose the correct preposition. That's right. It's to. What's the right preposition for this one? The correct answer is at. Think carefully. Which preposition fits best? It's in. Pick the correct preposition. Yes, over is the right choice. Can you get this one right? On is the correct answer. Try this one. Which preposition is correct? The right answer is for. Do you know the correct preposition? Yes, it's at. Let's test your prepositions. That's correct. The answer is of. What do you think? Which one fits? Through is the right choice. Here's another one. Can you guess it? Yes, around is the answer. Find the right preposition. The correct answer is into. Let's see if you know this one. It's to. Pick the right preposition. In is the correct answer. What's the missing preposition? You got it. The answer is to. Can you figure this one out? Yes. From is correct. Fill in the blank with the right preposition. By is the correct choice. Choose wisely. Which preposition belongs here? That's right. The answer is for. Think fast. Which one fits? 2 is correct. Let's check your preposition skills. The answer is across. Can you complete the sentence correctly? Yes, the right preposition is with. Spot the right preposition. That's correct. It's on. Fill in the gap. What's the right preposition? That is the correct answer. What's missing here? The answer is 4. Can you tell which preposition is right? That's right, the answer is in. Find the best fit. The answer is on. Do you know the correct preposition? In is the correct answer. What's the missing preposition? In is the correct answer. Let's see if you know this one. The correct answer is at. Time's up. How did you do? Did you smash all 30 questions, or did a few trip you up? Drop your score in the comments and let us know. And if you enjoyed this quiz, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a challenge from English Quizler. Fun quizzes, better English. See you in the next video. Happy quizzing!